Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Let's put this bed together. So you're going to get the top piece that is a heart. This is number 4, and then you need number 3, and then you need 2 number 1s for both sides. And you are going to screw those in with the screw and one of the washers. That's step 1. Okay, step 2 is you are going to get number 5 and then 2 2s, 1 for each side, and then you are going to again screw them in with a bolt on each side. Next, you are going to get 9A, and you are going to open this up, and this leg comes down. Now I've already put this on this side. So what you are going to do is just attach it here, and you are going to attach it here. Okay, we have both sides on. Then you are going to get the 7s, and you are going to put them in these bigger holes here. I'm going to put this one in here to show you. And then you are going to screw all of these in. Okay, and then you get all of the 8s and you just put it in both sides, and then you're finished. Okay, this bed is so beautiful. It is lightweight but very sturdy because you have that stainless frame. You can see here there is a lot of space under the bed for storage, and it just looks light and absolutely gorgeous in the room. This is great quality, so easy to put together, and you don't even need a box springs. I love it and highly recommend.